I've created a Buzzy app in the wizard. Here is in the workspace. I need to now pull it into Figma. So I've gone to the community. I've grabbed one of the files, the toolkit file. Here it is, duplicated to my drafts. I've gone to the Your App here page, which is where I need to now run the Buzzy plugin. Now the potential gotcha here is I've already run the plugin previously. I'm an existing user. How do I import the app? So the gotcha here is the plugin doesn't give me a way to import the app if I am not in wizard mode. So there's my chat. It's saying, okay, you can go create a new one or do whatever. Uh, how do I import this app? I need to make sure I'm in wizard mode. So I go to the settings tab, make sure wizard mode is enabled if I have previously disabled it. So just make sure you click this. There we go. We're in wizard mode. I can now go import an existing app. Here it is. That was called Taskmaster. I can hit continue and now step through all the processes to import the app. And that will appear in my Figma canvas. So just a potential gotcha. Make sure you're in wizard mode.